What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to 31 days of blend, and this is day 18. So for today's video, we are going to be doing color 350, color 27, and color 613. This was requested by Kabi. Shout out to you, Kabi. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for dropping a color request, and I see your comment all the time. Thank you so much for your support. So yeah, for today's video, I am going to be blending the same quantity of color 350 and color 613 and lesser quantity of color 27. Now I didn't use the equal quantity of color 27 because color 27, no matter how little it is, it just has a way of like showing itself in the blend. At the end of the day, you're going to understand what I'm trying to say, because even though I used a little, or rather a lesser quantity of color 27, the color 27 at the end of this blend is still was still very visible. So if you don't want the 27 to be like all over the place, I feel like that's because it is really bright. So that is why it does that. If you don't want the color 27 to just be all over the place, you can do this whenever you are doing a blend that includes color 27. Just reduce the quantity of the color 27. It will still show in the blend at the end of the day. But if you use like equal quantity with the other ones, it will overshadow the other ones. And yeah, that's, if you want that, if you are fine with that, that's fine. But for me, I just feel like when there's a lot of color 27 in my blend, it just doesn't look very nice. It does not give what I wanted to give, basically. So yeah, that is it. So for extensions, all the extensions I used for this blend are from Expression. The 27 is from Expression, the color 350 is from Expression, and same thing with the color 613. So if you want to get yours, you can just get the Expression brand. The extensions are really nice. The texture is very similar to the African afro hair. Maybe not afro hair, like maybe like the African hair shower. When you stretch it out, it just blends well, even if your hair is natural and you can just tuck it into the extension. It will still look very nice. In my own opinion, I feel like the Expression is like the closest thing to like our actual hair, and it blends well. It doesn't shed, it's not hard on the hand, and it doesn't even tangle as much. So yeah, it is my best buy. I think somebody has asked me before what extension they should get, which one to get, which one I prefer. That is my own preference. All my clients know this. I use Expression. It is just perfect for me. I've only actually tried, I think, 4 types of extensions. I've tried the Amigo, I have tried Expression, I have tried Darling, and I have tried Lush. If you are not Nigerian, then you might probably not know Lush because it is a Nigerian brand. It is really nice. The Lush brand, depending on the color, they have very nice bright colors. That is for the Lush. They have really amazing colors. I love their colors. However, the extension is just too soft. People say they like it because it is soft. The first time I used it too, I was really loving it when I was prepping the extension, when I was trying to like feather it. It felt really nice on my hand, but when I was braiding with it, I did not like the feel at all. It is too soft. It doesn't blend well with natural hair or even relaxed hair. It just doesn't blend well, and then it's, I don't know how to explain it. Aside the fact that it sheds a lot, Lush sheds a whole lot. Aside that, it does this thing when you braid with it. You know how when you braid with a particular type of extension, the extension just like slips, and then when you like trim it, it looks good and you are good to go. Lush, I don't know what it is. I feel like it's because it is so soft. It gets rough like really fast. You see flyaways everywhere. I don't like it at all, and that's the only reason why I don't like it. But if I can choose a color, if I have to choose because of color, then I'll go with Lush because they have amazing colors. Darling is very similar to Expression. It's pretty much the same thing, aside the fact that Darling is a little harder, the texture compared to Expression. So that's like the difference. Now for Amigo, it's been a really long time since I used Amigo. I think their extensions are like restretched, and why I don't like it is because it is really thin at the end. Like, it just, it just doesn't give me that thickness that I want for my braid. So that is why I don't like Amigo. The texture is really really good. It's already pre-stretched, so you don't have to do any stress with it. Expression has this pre-stretched their own pre-stretched hair. I think it's the raw pre-stretched hair. It's really nice. The thickness is thick all through basically. So yeah, if you had any issues with expressions, or rather extensions, I can't believe I said expression. So if you have issues with extensions, you don't know which extension to choose for your blends or for any hairstyle that you want to do, there you have it. That is my 2 cents on extensions, and I've already told you why I love the ones I love and why I don't like the ones that I don't like. So you can do whatever you want to do with that information, and I really does hope that it helps. Now this is what the extension looks like after we are done blending. I love it so much, and as I said earlier, you can still see that the color 27 is still acting almost as the main character. I'm not sure, I'm very sure rather, that you saw that I added more of the color 350 just because I wanted it to have that warm tone to it, so it is not like all blonde and all 27 or all gold. I wanted it to have a warm brown tone to it. That is why I added more of the color 350 to this blend, and I really love the outcome. It is very beautiful. This is what it looks like close up. It looks absolutely stunning. All complexions can wear this blend. It looks nice on lights, either you're light toned or you're dark toned. Now here's what it looks like as braid. You can see that it looks just as beautiful as the blend. It looks very fantastic. Here's a close-up look. I'm also going to give you like a far away look so that you can see what it looks like when somebody else is looking at your hair. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I really do hope that you enjoy and you love it. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed already. I have a whole lot of other videos coming up as well, and if you've not seen the previous ones, do see them, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.